everybody, welcome back. I have two items that I received in the mail just 30 minutes ago. Two items that, according to tracking, that I didn't expect to get today, especially this one, because it said it was still in transit, and I've been waiting maybe 3 weeks for it, because it is a custom journal cover made by Iron Bark Journals, and she is out of Australia, and I have been following her on Instagram for quite some time, and finally, just as much as I've really liked her journals and her posts, broke down and got one. And also the next Vila Beautiful pens, the garden set, arrived today also. So this is kind of not an unboxing for me, the way I get stuff. Bags. Okay. So this is how it comes packaged. Nice plastic. Has her card on here. I know it's got it here. Maybe that's better. That plastic kind of made it shiny, kind of hard to see. Okay. So she has different types of leather as far as colors and sizes that she makes. You can pick out what color cord you want, because they are made like travel journals. Comes in a nice pouch. And I picked a dark leather. I think it's called Coffee. I'd have to go back and look. But this is what I chose. It's a smaller version, versus like, I guess you would call it A5 or B5. This is a passport size. That's what I picked. And the stitching is what she calls rainbow, because as she goes along, she changes the color. And all the way around. And when you place your order, you have to specify if you want a pin loop. And in most of the pictures, I see it has like one cord, but in some of her posts, she shows the journals that she carries. Some of them have two, and I really liked that. So in the comments, along with asking for the pin loop, I asked for two colors. I asked for red and blue. And her journals have card slots, and also the pocket in the front, and the back flat pocket, which would be your main pocket to put your journal in. And it's beautiful. It's handmade. She does this all by hand. Hand stitches it, puts in the elastic, makes every part of this. And you can see that when you go to her Instagram account and look at the photos of her actually working on a journal, because she'll have the leather laid out, the stitching, the material that she uses to make these all laid out. And this is just wonderful. I'm so glad to get this today. I've had a horrible week at work, and it's good to get Happy Mail on the weekend. It just really makes my day. And then there's something else that's in here. Oh, I forgot. I had ordered charms. I totally forget. I was just so excited to get the journal. I totally forgot I had ordered charms to go on it. So I ordered, she makes these bookmarks. She actually hand stitches the beads together and makes the bookmark. I'll get it outside of the package here for you. And she makes these beads and she makes these bookmarks. They come in all different colors. You can pick what color beads you want, what color yarn you want. They're just gorgeous. And I love the photos that she has of, it looks like there's like 1,000 of them on the end of her journal. I think they're really cool. And then I got a charm to go on the cord on the outside, which is a key. And I've got to get this bad boy open because I can't see the whole thing. I'd say I should have brought my scissors, but I didn't. I was just too excited to run out here and make a quick video. And this charm, it's very small, very delicate looking. But it would clip at the top of the page as a marker. Having some technical difficulties here. There we go. And the key charm, which goes on the outside. Just like that. So I wanted to share this one with you. Next is the Vila Beautiful pens. So this is the VB Garden New Release bundle. So with this bundle, I got 5 pens plus refills, and also some stickers. Stickers. And of course it comes with a card that shows you what the pens look like. Something to put in my journal. And it also comes with a sticker page, and it has all of this collection on here. And believe me, and I'll tell you, these are great for markers, little markers that you can put in your journal. I use these to mark when she sends out her newsletter, to mark the dates. I just put it right alongside the little box in my planner, and so it doesn't take up all the space in the little box in my planner for me to be able to write down any notes or whatever I need to write. So this is perfect. It just goes right along the side there. They're great. So each pen comes individually in a box. Sometimes these are a little hard to get open. They all write the same because they all have the same inserts, so I'm not going to do pen swatches. But they all have her logo. And it's not quite the best ideal light out here today, but very beautiful. Again, her logo. This one has some brown gold crystals in it, and it has the rose gold tone to it, which I really like that too. I think I've said before with these pens, I like the black and I like the rose gold. This one actually has purple rhinestones in it. They look pink, maybe blue. Very nice. This actually has a gunmetal tone to it, or hardware. Very nice. I like that too. I don't think I have one that has that hardware on it yet. Oh, this one's very bright. Very pink. Gold trim. It's almost like a sunburst. Very nice. Very beautiful. And this one is a very, very pale pink, and has teal and pink and looks like white. Turn it this way, stones on the inside. Very beautiful. It has the rose gold as well. But these are very nice pens. They write really, really well. I have a 0.5 tip on the insert, and the only thing you have to be careful is if you cap the pen which means you take this part and you put it on this part. You have to be gentle about it. I do that because it's just a habit of, if I have a pen that has a cap, I just like to put it on the end of the pen. Especially with these pens, I would not want to lose the cap. But so far, I've only nicked one little part on the end of a pen. And after that, I was really careful about sliding it on and off the end of the pen. But this is what I got today. Yay! Happy mail again. And if this gives you any idea of what size this journal is compared to the size of the pens. Now, these pens are normal size. These are not small pens or extra large pens or anything like that. This is a normal size ink pen. But yeah, just wanted to share this with you guys today and what I got in the mail. I've got some other stuff coming that unfortunately is taking a very long time to get here because they are coming from China and Hong Kong, of all places. That I actually ordered at the same time I ordered my journal, and it got here quicker. And she had to hand make this, versus the other items is just something that is already made that would be put in a package or a box and just be shipped. And they are from the, I can't pronounce it, it is the KAWAII Original Shop. And Taperology. Still waiting to get my vellum from Taperology. And I don't know when those items are going to get here. But when they do, I will be glad to do another little video and show them to you guys and what I've added to my collection of stationery, journaling, pens, and planners. Thank you for watching.